Hello, my lovely students. Today we are going to learn an important lesson of grammar, that is adjective. So students, before starting anything, let's read the passage and observe the words in red color. ये words आपको कुछ जाने पहचाने से feel हो रहे होंगे. Students, here sunny describes days, little describes puppy, new describes toy, and so on other words. These words are called adjectives. Students, see these examples. First, a big aeroplane is flying in the sky. Here, word big denote the size of aeroplane. And in second example, the bird is blue. Here, the word blue describe the quality of bird. So students, a word which describes noun, pronoun is called adjective. Let's see the kinds of adjectives. Adjectives, types and examples. First one, proper adjective. Second, descriptive, qualitative or attributive adjective. Third, quantitative adjective. Fourth, numeral adjective. Fifth, demonstrative adjective. Sixth, distributive adjective. Seventh, interrogative adjective. And eighth, possessive adjective. Let us start with proper adjectives. Student, firstly read the examples. What you find here? There are three words in red color which are related to the name of country like India, Indian, China, Chinese. These words are proper adjectives. So, we can say that proper adjectives are formed from proper noun, specific person, place or thing. This adjective describes the origin or source. Example, American, British, Siberian, etc. Now, our next point is descriptive adjective or adjective of quality. Look at both the examples. Here, in first example, word black and white refer the quality of football, while in second, the word small describe the size of the house. These are adjectives of quality. Now, you have understood that a word which describes the quality, example, shape, size, color, etc. of a person, place or thing is called descriptive adjective. Students, next is quantitative adjectives or adjective of quantity. Observe these sentences. What do you find? There, the word enough and sufficient describe the quantity of fruits and milk respectively. So student, quantitative adjectives are used to express the quantity of a thing. Example, much, many, little, enough, sufficient, etc. I hope the content is clear to you. Now let me ask you some questions. Question 1. I have seen many Siberian cranes in Rajasthan. Which word in the above sentence is a proper adjective? Option A, cranes. Option B, Rajasthan. Option C, Siberian. And option D, none of the above. Your correct answer is option C, Siberian. Question 2. Sneha visited zoo yesterday. She saw a dash python. Option A, little. Option B, big. Option C, black. And option D, all of the above. Your correct answer is option D, all of the above. Question 3. Find the quantitative adjective in the sentence, we did not get enough time to prepare for our exam. Option A, prepare. Option B, exam. Option C, enough. And option D, hour. Your correct answer is option C, enough. Practice makes perfect. Students, it's practice time. Your homework questions are given on the slide. Students, your question 1 is rewrite this set of sentences using the opposite of the underlined words. That means the words which are underlined in the sentences, you have to write the opposite form and rewrite it. Question 2. Do the exercise A, B and C from your book New Grammar Plus. Thank you. See you soon in our next lecture.